On a Chromebook Plus, you have the option for any video in your Google Drive, on YouTube, or videos that are embedded on a website that you can go into your accessibility features on the Chromebook. And when you turn on live caption, it will automatically create a pop up box at the bottom of your screen that will provide a live caption for your video. But what makes this tool extremely powerful is that with the power of Google AI on a Chromebook Plus, you can translate these live captions into over 100 different supported languages. So here I'm giving you an example of a video that I've made, and even though I'm speaking English in the video, I've asked it to translate it into French. So you can see as I scroll through, there are lots of different language options that you can choose from. And if you were to choose between different languages while you're watching the same video, it will just automatically start changing that language with the next sentences that come from the video. The benefits for this, for communication between teachers and students, generally helping everybody and that accessibility need, it's one of a kind.